Well, our second batch quail have just hatched, but I'm beginning to think quail bring floods, because we've just had a huge downpour again. This is the entranceway to the aviary. And that's a 6-inch board there, so there's about 3 inches of water just there. Thankfully, the way I've designed it, the water's not getting into the aviaries, but it's not great. I'm not going to go in and disturb them, but they have hatched. I can see the broken eggs there. Not sure if all 5 have hatched. I can't see any whole eggs at the moment. So, more quail. It's not a great time for them to have hatched though. The current water issues. I need to build some other barrier up there further to stop these bloody downpours from flooding everything. But this does actually stop a lot, as you can see. It's not running through there. They're all contained in the doorway. I need to put some drainage up here somewhere. It's never been an issue before. Not until this year.